All right, boys and girls, on the page yesterday, we did 10 friends. We matched the 10 frames so that they would equal 10. But today we're going to use make a 10 to help us solve the equation. So here's what I want you to do. We are going to do the first one together, and I already drew the add-ins, the top add-end on the 10 frame, and then we're going to use it to solve the problem. So I already have 6, and so now I need 8 circles. So I keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I do that, how many do I have all together? I have 10 and 4. So that's 14. So I know that 10 plus 4 is 14, and that's the same as 6 plus 8 is 14. You see how we did that? We use our 10 frames to help us see the problem just a little bit better. Okay, so the next one has 7 plus 5. So I have 5, so let's draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on this one, I have a whole 10 and then 2 left over. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Very good. So 7 plus 5 is 12, but also 10 plus 2 is 12. And that's the same as, we're just going to write the problem one more time. 7 plus 5 is 12. Good. I'm going to do all of these with you because I think that these are really hard. I think I'm just going to have you try the last one by yourself, or maybe the last 2, and see if you can do it on your own. Okay, so the next one, 9 plus 4. We already have 9, so let's do 4 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that means we have 10 plus 3. That's 13. So if I write 10 plus 3 is 13, then I write the first problem again. That's the same as 9 plus 4 is 13. They get the same answer. Cool. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's try 3 plus 9. So I drew 3. We're going to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once I filled in that 10 frame, how many did I do all together? That's 12. Good. So I had 10 plus 2 is 12. That's the same as 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, so I want you to try this problem and this problem on your own. If you need help, raise your hand for your teacher. But I really want you to try it on your own first before you ask for help, because I think if you follow the pattern of the problems we did above, you're going to be able to do it on your own. You're going to feel proud of yourself for being successful. When you're finished, we're going to push pause right here, and then I want you to flip it over and do the back problems with me. So go ahead and push pause, and I'll talk to you in just a minute. All right, boys and girls, here we are on the back. We're doing more plus 3. So the first one's a double, so we don't need our dots or a number line for that. 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Good. So next I have 8 plus 3. So I say 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Good. And 2 plus 3 we know is 5. 7 plus 3, I know it's a 10, friend. Now we have 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. 1 plus 3, that's just the next number. Let's do 5 plus 3. Let's use our dots. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Awesome. Go ahead and finish the rest of this page on your own. And nice work today, boys and girls.